truck driving with an iPhone. Let's do it.
Go.
Make it in. Let's go up on the cliff.
There.
And we're using it with this little RC set. Let's see if this RC car and this iPad. And then we'll see what's down the ditch. We'll see what's down the ditch. This is what's down there. It's a big hole. Stop, Kara! Let's put this back there. And let's put it back. Let's do it where the slide is. Okay, let's do this.
Here, put it right here.
Whoop.
Oh yeah, put it right here.
Okay, let's do it from there.
Okay, there you go.
Wait, now let's... Backward style. Oh shit, it broke. Did it break?
No, it's alright. Okay, let's go.
Wait, this time I'm gonna bring them up there. Bubbles, move.
Move to science. Oh yeah.
That is really extreme. And now it's gonna go down there.
Okay, here.
Do you want to do it or not?
I don't care. Here's the science. Okay. Okay, go.
Okay, I'm gonna give them the extra heel. Put it on the IC car. See, is it recording?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, give me the icy car.
It has always been. Oh yeah, right there. Oh, you better not drive it down there.
Too late.
Just drive it.
You sure?
Yeah.
You're crazy.
Yeah. Oh my God.
What? Oh, it broke my RC car. It still works.
Wait. Okay, you guys, we're done for today. Yeah. We should never done that. We're gonna try to fix it.
Like in a church?
Turn it? Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.